What's going on, ladies and gents? We're gonna go over to AutoZone. We're gonna go grab a panel popper tool. We're gonna pop off the front bumper, and then we're gonna get to installing these technically OEM headlights, but they're just blacked out. Now, see, you guys are probably gonna clown me for this, right? They do sell the C lights, like how on the newer Foresters and like the WRX, it's got the little C and the little line or whatever, and their projector or whatever. They were like $500, and I just could not justify spending $500 on some headlight. It would be nice to have the projector housing and the cool, you know, DRLs and all that. I just can't justify spending. Especially with the fact that this isn't like an XT or anything like that. It's just a regular base Forester that just sounds good. Anyway, let's get this show on the road. Okay, quick rain check. I was under the impression that AutoZone would have a panel popper removal tool, and they don't. I'm gonna try to pop them out with a screwdriver. They should be fairly easy. I mean, the panel popper tool is mainly just so that when you go to remove them, it's a little bit easier than normal. But honestly, I'm not really like concerned about how easy it is to remove them. I'm mainly just gonna go ahead and use the screwdriver, pop out the little centerpiece, and then I'm gonna try to like wedge it in there. You wanna have one right here. You wanna have one right here, here, and here. Oh, here. You don't want to remove these because these are actually part of the grill. So leave these on, and then this way the whole grill can actually, like, you see what's moving. So I gotta replace 1 and 2, but that's not a big deal. This is kind of out of pocket because I don't have a towel, but it's a little tricky. If you can raise your car up, definitely do it. If the video looks absolutely garbage, it's because I'm running at the highest ISO possible. But underneath the car, as you can see, you should have like 1, 2, 3. This is like near the skid plate. There's 4 right here. So let me see if I can pop this off on video. There we go. Doesn't seem like there's any towards the middle, but there's another one right here. And then I can feel another one right there. So let's go ahead and take this one off right here. There's our trusty handy dandy flathead. There we go. Come on. Wiggle her out. There we go. This is really challenging to do without the car being lifted up. And this one keeps slipping because it's wet. That's another one right here. Not sure if this can be seen as well, but it's one right here that we just gotta pop off. And I can barely see this one. Come on. Fuck. Now the plastic piece is starting up. Ah, son of a bitch. Oh, it's out though. Fuck. It's not necessarily hidden, but like, it is right there. So if you're doing this to your Forester, this is where it's at. It's literally right here. See, now I'm curious, did I break that? Or was it already broken? Honestly, I feel like it was already broken. Whole bumper, you're really supposed to start with these holes last. But I'm just gonna go ahead and, it'd be nice if this thing would work. They work when you're trying to get them out. All right, cool, so that's in there so the whole bumper won't just fall off. Pull back the fender well, or the wheel well. Now, like I said, so I got my hand right up against it. I'm gonna pull and lift sort of up Don't just pull straight out, but lift sort of up. And then boom. Mess that. Oh, almost forgot. I have fog lights, so it would be smart if I went ahead and undid. There we go, that's one. And that's two. I disconnected. Bumper is off. We're gonna take off one, two, and then I think it'll come off with just one and two. Use our trusty vice grips to maybe go ahead and get this bad boy off. So let's try this. Okay, that's not gonna. Now I have a 10mm socket. However, I don't have a small enough socket wrench. I know you guys are probably cringing at my tactics right now. It ain't stupid if it works. You know what a battery powered impact would have done to this by now? I'm gonna make this journey over here to AutoZone, even though I really don't want to, but I thought I could go my whole life without owning a tiny ratchet. I'm being shown that is not the case. This elusive ass bolt that you guys can barely, hold on. What is this? What is this lock? You press the tabs down, it doesn't even open. Okay, this is the headlight. Everything is basically plug and play. They just don't give you the bulbs. Take the bulbs out, throw them in there, and then put this assembly in that styrofoam. We got them both on now. And I'm thinking I like what I see. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna throw the front bumper back on, which is gonna be the hardest part, putting all the panels back on, and then I'll get a clip in the daytime so that you guys can see what it looks like. And to check our fitment and make sure everything is on properly. We are done. We have finished the headlight install. They look good, they're blacked out. Just so you guys get a reference for the beam pattern, I might angle this down a little bit. Let me actually turn down the ISO so that you can really see that. You can see that the left one is slightly lower than the right. That's not really a big deal for me, but I might adjust that if possible. And then here's the high beams. High beams seem level, and then obviously I got the light bar, which can be adjusted just by angling it up or down, but prefer to keep it angled down because it sort of corresponds with all the other light. Next step, chrome delete. After the chrome delete, we're gonna get our wheels. After the wheels, we're gonna do the 2-inch lift. Like, comment, subscribe. This took me damn near all day. It wasn't supposed to, but took me damn near all day to do this. I'm happy with the way it turned out, and yeah, hope you guys like it. So I'm out of here.